Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of Basics of Java. So in Basics, we are going to learn a new assignment, that is to calculate the leap year. So what is a leap year first of all, right? Because it is very important to know what exactly a leap year is. See, generally a leap year has a year, not a leap year. A normal year has 365 days in it, right? And we also know that a leap year has 366 days. But this leap year comes after every 4 years, right? But even after considering those points, we have some more points related to this leap year. What are those points? I will tell you, okay? Number one point, a leap year comes once after in a 4 years, right? That means February, we can say. The February month has 29 days if that year is a leap year, right? So we can say with this additional day in February, a year becomes leap year, correct? Now, second point, a leap year is a year which is different than a normal year. We also know that, and it is having 366 days, right? But after this concept as well, there are some years which are called as a century years. For example, 1600, 2000, okay, 1700, 1800, 1900. These are century years, we can say. But in century years as well, there are some of the years which are not the leap years. For example, 1700, 1800, 1900. These years are not the leap years. On the other hand, there are some of the years. So there are some years like 1600, 2000. These century years are leap years. So there is a conflict between the two. Now, why is it so? Because number one point, the conditions which we have to check is, number one, a leap year is a leap year which must be divisible by 4. Okay, which must be divisible by 4. Must. Number second point, the year is divisible by 400. That is, whatsoever the year will be, it should be divisible by 4. But I will write it like this. It should be divisible by 4. Number second point, it should also be divisible by 400, but it should not be divisible by 100. Okay, so these are basically the two important conditions for calculating the leap year. By putting these two conditions, you can check whether a particular year is a leap year or not. Because if these two conditions are satisfied, the year will be a leap year. Okay, so how we are going to write that, I will tell you. For that, because the year has to be entered by the user, so I have written over here the scanner wali line. Okay, so I will be taking a variable, say it as year is equal to, I will be writing a statement over here to print, to input a statement, that is enter a year of your choice. Okay, so I will be writing sc dot next int, right? So we have inputted the year and saved it into the year variable. Now what will be I writing it over here is, the condition will be if year modulus 4 is equal to 0, the very first condition. Okay, and what have I told you? Year modulus 400 is also equal to 0, right? But we have to check it should not be, or we can say like this, year modulus 100 is not equal to 0. This I have to check now. So number one, this condition I have to verify. Okay, and either it should be equal to 0 like this. So I'll be checking the brackets again, okay, just a second. So if condition, I have mentioned this is the initialization bracket, right? Then this is one bracket over here, right? Then this is one bracket over here, right? Then so after this condition we will write it over here. I will write it here like plus is a leap year, okay, and in the else section I will be writing it that this is not a leap year. Let me just execute it. Enter a year of your choice. So I will be entering 2004 over here, and if you can see, so if you can see 2004 is a leap year. Now again, if I will run my program and if I will input 1900, this is not a leap year. Again I will run it 1800, it is also not a leap year. If I will enter 1600, this is a leap year. So this is how we will calculate the leap year, that if this condition is true, okay, and this condition is also true, but this condition should not be true. I hope you guys understand how to calculate the leap year. Thank you very much.